Lingmo OS is making waves in the world of operating systems, but is it really worth your time? Let's dive into what this platform offers and see if it lives up to the hype or falls flat. Lingmo OS is designed as an intuitive operating system that aims to bridge the gap between usability and advanced features. It targets users who want a seamless experience without the complexity often associated with tech-heavy platforms. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it appealing for beginners, while still providing enough depth for more experienced users. One standout feature is its multilingual support, which caters to a global audience, allowing users to switch languages effortlessly. This could be a game changer for those who work in diverse environments. However, there are areas where transparency feels lacking. For instance, detailed documentation on advanced functionalities and updates isn't readily available, leaving potential users in the dark. Overall, while Lingmo OS shows promise with its user-centric design, the absence of comprehensive information might deter some users from fully committing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, Lingmo OS offers a clean interface and excellent multilingual support, which is fantastic for global users. It's also fairly easy to navigate, making it a solid choice for those new to operating systems. However, there are significant downsides. The lack of detailed documentation is frustrating, especially for users who want to dive deeper into its capabilities. Additionally, some advanced features feel underexplained, which could leave more tech-savvy users wanting. Trust is also a concern. There's limited public feedback, making it hard to gauge its reliability. If you're looking for a straightforward experience, it might suit you well, but if you're after a robust, well-supported OS, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Lingmo OS has its strengths, especially for users who prioritize simplicity and multilingual support. However, the lack of transparency and detailed documentation raises some red flags. If you're curious, it's worth a try, but those needing a more established and reliable operating system might want to look elsewhere.